bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you see me again. I can say here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin kan. Bàbá olóyin original. I'm saying at Yesota. Bàbá olóyin bus stop. Bàbá olóyin bus stop. Yesota. Don't forget, I'm the publisher of 50 Ways of Using Honey, now known as Honey as a Medicine. This is the book now. Honey as a Medicine. Honey as a Medicine. The latest book now is African Power. Africa is my fatherland. Africa is my fatherland. Nigeria is my country. Oh, Nigeria is our country. This is my latest book, African Power. This is more or less a spiritual book. When you get this book, you will know what I put inside the book. It's the most selling one throughout the whole world. Many people are giving me money. The money I never received since I've been publishing books. Many people are giving me money on this book, African Power. Some people will just call me, Papa, I want to buy African Power. I said, what are further books? They said, no, I just want to buy African Power first. Because just the title first. Then when we opened the book and saw what we published inside, they sent money to me later. I appreciate you. And I said, those people that are giving me money on African Power, I do appreciate. This is Honey as a Medicine. It was formerly 50 Ways of Using Honey. Before I added another 20 Ways of Using Honey. Now 70 Ways of Using Honey. The name now is Honey as a Medicine. Many people are thanking God on it. This is Agbára Ìwòsàn Oyin, healing power of honey. Healing power of honey. Some people, they get staphylococcus. If they don't treat it, they will get low sperm count. Then if you are always shortage of blood, what you can do is in this book. No amount of blood tonic you use, it will not work on your body. Maybe some people are draining it. See the solution here. This is solution to woman problems. You are having female, you want to have a male child. The solution is here. And we are selling original honey. I'm surprised some people will still call me. Are you selling honey? When we are displaying honey, that we are selling honey, we are selling books of honey. Some people will still call me. Are you selling honey? Help me answer them. The type of answer they require. See, I say I'm Baba Oloyin original. Staying at Yesota, Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesota. I'm selling books, I'm selling honey. Some people, after watching the program, they still call me. Are you selling honey? Your answer is the same as my own. Don't forget, I get branches in Lagos. You can get, if you cannot come to Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesota, you can go to Mushin, CAF Communications, number 4, Alokolaro Street. Number 4, Alokolaro Street, Mushin. You can go to Oshodi, number 6, Everett Way. Number 6, Everett Way. Alasia bus stop. Alasia bus stop. Behind that petrol station along the road. The third out to that petrol station. You see the banner there. Number 6, Everett Way. Opposite NEPA there. Number 6, Everett Way. Alasia bus stop. Alasia Oshodi. Very close to Bolade. At Bariga, go to number 36. Number 36. Number 36. Ilaje Road. Bariga. We are there. At Ikotun. We are at Agodo Egbe. Just select bus stop. Enter Maruwa going to Agodo Market. Tell them you are going to number 2. Femi Osobu Street. Agodo Market. Agodo Ọjà. Agodo Market. The idea. At Surulere, go to number 5C. Number 5C, Akerele Street Extension, opposite Power Holding, opposite NEPA, now known as Power Holding, opposite Power Holding, Akerele, Surulere. You can get our booth there. You can get our honey there. Today, I say I want to teach you how you can always see money. This is Omanigelekele. Those who know the other languages, order this name for it in your area. I thank some people. Immediately I mention something like this, some people will come up, they will tell you in English, they will tell you in your Hausa language, they will tell you in Yoruba language, they will tell you in your Efik language. Some people will tell you in the botanical names. I appreciate. This is like sponge. It is not sponge. When you go to App, you can scan it in your WhatsApp. Go to App Seller. Say Omanigelekele, they will say for you. Omanigelekele. When you get Omanigelekele, you get Cowry. Where you? Cowry. Where you see? Oh, where you? This is the money they were spending the holding this. You will put Omanigelekele and Cowry. Put them inside old drink. Then you had Wasu 50 naira to it. The second day, you begin to take it. You see money by the special grace of God. When you finish drinking it, you don't need to renew it. You do another preparation. But that 50 naira you put inside, if you're in Nigeria, you do 50 naira. In your other country, you know any other paper, any currency that do with nylon, you put it inside. When you finish drinking, that money you go and give beggar. Go and give beggars, around. By the special grace of God, you will always see money. Yorùbá say, I read the okun, I read the ọ̀sà, I can read the Omanigelekele. Òwe ni ọ̀rọ̀ ni àyájọ́ ni òun fẹ́ ni. A kì í rídìí òkun, àìrídìí ọ̀sà, àìrídìí Omanigelekele, káyọ̀ má ṣe rídìí mi. Àṣírí bò ni o. You want to do a party, you are afraid. Who is going to help me? I have no family. Go and try it. Then when you are always broke, you don't see money, go and try it. You have nobody to help you, go and try it. My phone number is on the screen. Because the program you are watching today is Kenny Show Television. My phone number is 0810 84 31 336. It's on the screen. 081 08 43 1336 is on the screen. Don't forget to watch my sister Baba Oloyin Original Television. Baba Oloyin Original Television. As you are watching that one, don't forget to watch Mr. Lashbon Comedy. I used to feature there. I used to send some information there. Mr. Lashbon Comedy. Watch it. You see me there. Baba Oloyin Original Television. Don't forget to click it, watch it, and subscribe. As you are watching this program, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and share among friends and relatives. My phone number again is only that we normally receive WhatsApp messages on this line. Because I cannot be attending to people on this line and at the same time attending to people on the other channel. Baba Oloyin Original Television. So it's advisable to send your own WhatsApp messages to this line you are seeing on the screen. 0810 84 31 336. Don't forget, all these my books, you can buy them as e-books on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. We are not on Amazon. We are not yet on Amazon. In future, if we are to be there, we inform the whole public. We will inform the whole world. But currently, our original books, the original books written by Baba Oloyin original, Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì, is not yet on Amazon. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.